Okay, dear financial reporting students, first of all, welcome all of you in our orientation. And this orientation is for the session September 26th and December 26th. I'm Abil Ahmed, FR expert and CEO and principal of Abil School of Accountancy. In today's orientation, what exactly we'll be discussing? I'll be explaining the paper pattern. Second, I will also discuss my lifetime achievement in FR. Third, what exactly ASA offers you in FR, which makes our FR unique, different, easier than others. So we'll be discussing all these features. And plus, orientation is not going to be very long at all. Don't worry at all. So let's dive into the details of orientation. Let me share the PDF with you. Here comes the PDF. Yeah, just a minute. Okay. Students, first of all, this orientation is, we know that for the session September and December 26th. And this is my lifetime achievement. 92 marks in FR, that is my lifetime achievement. So far, the highest marks in FR taken by my student, they're 92. But let me tell you one thing. Any marks which you are getting over and above 50, they are more than welcome. Desirable marks, if you ask me, I would say for the 99% students, desirable marks are at least we need 50, at least. So anything which is over and above 50, more than welcome. This is my lifetime achievement, 92 marks in FR. Now let's quickly discuss the paper pattern. Student in FR, section A, you will be facing 15 multiple choice questions. Each question will have 2 marks. So altogether, 30 marks. Section B, there will be 3 10 marks questions, means total marks are 30. But let me explain the composition of section B questions, structure of section B questions. Normally what happens in section B, you will be having a 10 marks, I would say small case study. On that small case study, examiner is going to set 5 multiple choice questions. For example, like in section B, let's say there will be a scenario. On that scenario, examiner will say that from question 2016 till 20, this scenario is applicable for the question from 16 till 20. So you can see that there are altogether 5 questions. Okay. The important part is that in section B, there will be 3 small scenarios. On each scenario, just a minute, students, something is missing. Okay, now fine. In each scenario, there will be 5, I would say, multiple choice questions. Okay. And another point is question could appear from any area of the syllabus. It means for section A and B, you have to have a grip on the entire syllabus, means entire syllabus. Now let's talk about section C. Student, in section C, there will be 2 long questions. In section C, there will be 2 long questions, altogether 40 marks. So this is the breakup of your 100 marks, 30 marks section A, 30 section B, 40 for section C. Time allowed is 3 hours and 10 minutes. But a very good point, I would say, part regarding section C is examination team has already mentioned one thing, that exactly section C questions, they will appear from which area of the syllabus. If you are expecting a long 20 marks question on any IAS and IFRS, so your expectation is not good at all, not accurate, I would say, at all. In section C, there will be 2 long questions, each 20 marks long and covering. One question is you'll be having on ratio analysis, and that ratio analysis could be on a single entity or even on a group. And there's a possibility, if you ask me, there's a still possibility that part A only deals with a single entity and part B deals with the performance of the group, which is very much possible. So one question you should be expecting on ratio analysis. When it comes to ratio analysis, another name is interpretation of financial statement. So student, you have to be very good in two areas. One, you have to memorize, I would say, all the formulae. You have no option at all. But of course, once you have understood the different formulae, then you have to memorize as well. Normally, what happens when it comes to the ratio analysis, we break the ratios according to their categories. You will see some of the ratios, they fall under profitability ratios. There will be some ratios covering the profitability area of the company. There will be ratios on working capital management as well. There will be ratios for liquidity. There will be ratios for the financial gearing as well. So basically, one, you should be able to understand the meaning of ratio, particular ratio, and second, you have to memorize the formula. Otherwise, you won't be able to do the ratio analysis. And let me tell you, the ratio analysis question is normally one of the easiest questions. Why? Once you have understood the formula, second, you remember the formula, third, you know the interpretation of that particular formula, then ratio analysis will not disturb you at all. The second question which you should be expecting in section C for 20 marks is going to be on preparing the financial statement, preparation of financial statements. Again, the question could appear on a single entity financial statements or a group. If you ask me, I would say the chances of group, they are more than the single entity, but it cannot rule out the single entity. Okay, you have to have a very good grip of how to simply, let's say, prepare the financial statement of single entity, like how to prepare the P&L, SOFP, even the statement of changes in equity, even the cash flow statement. But when it comes to group financial statement, you have to be very good in two areas. One is group SOFP, the second is group associate. So when it comes to section C in FR, students, it is categorically mentioned what exactly you should be expecting. One question you should be expecting on ratio analysis. Another question you should be expecting on preparing the financial statement. It could be on single entity or it could be on group. Okay. Now, time allowed, I've already discussed. Now let us quickly discuss what exactly ASA actually offers. What makes our financial reporting, I would say, unique, different, easier as compared to others. Number one, entire financial reporting just within 90 lectures. 90, that's it. And the good thing is, student, each lecture on average, it is just 40 to 45 minutes long, not longer than that. And within these 90 lectures, you will be having lectures for the entire course, plus the practice videos that are included within these 90 lectures. Third, you will be getting the weekly live revision classes. And let me tell you, students, we are the only institute, ACCA School of Accountancy is the only institute which conducts weekly live revision classes. And what is the benefit of weekly live revision classes? Actually, we give you the opportunity to have the interaction with the tutor on weekly basis. Students, you will be getting two types of notes, long and short notes. Okay. WhatsApp support. Students, we provide, ACCA School of Accountancy provides you the best, fastest WhatsApp support in the entire world. Normally, we reply to our students within 3 to 5 minutes. And most of the time, in fact, we reply within 1 minute. Plus, in addition to that, all of your queries will be responded by the tutor. Like you are enrolled, some of the students, they are enrolled in FR. And some of you are going to enroll, inshallah, in FR. The point is, all the queries which you are going to ask in FR, I'm going to personally reply. ASA does not keep any teacher assistant. Why? Because I have taught something. So I'm in a better position to reply your queries. And one more thing, students, I always teach from zero. I never assume that students, they carry any previous knowledge. No. You will be studying from zero. Okay, next point. How to get the maximum benefit from ACCA pre-scene mock? What should be that approach? What should be that strategy? I'm going to explain you that. Plus, ASA is going to conduct your mock. maximum 15, at least 12 days before the exam. And that's ASA mock will be on CV format, exactly the same format which you're going to face in your actual exam. The benefit would be you will be getting a personalized feedback from me. Now just imagine that you have attempted, let's say, ASA mock, and I have given you the feedback, and you still have 12 days for improvement. If someone knows weak areas, his or her weak areas, at least 12 days before the exam. So you will be having a window of 12 days where you can improve. And attempting our mock automatically increases your, I would say, chances of getting 50 plus marks easily. Another thing, which again makes ACCA FR unique from others, crash course. The good part is entire crash course is question based, number one. Number two, just by spending, I would say 8 to 9 hours only. By spending 8 to 9 hours, you can revise the entire FR. What else do you need, students? Just imagine that we are providing you a product which can give you the revision of entire FR just within 8 to 9 hours. Entire FR revision 8 to 9 hours, but that revision will be question-based revision. Now, let me quickly discuss ASA admin number. After that, whatever questions you have, you can ask. ASA admin number, students. And there are other things also, which obviously I don't want to discuss right now. It's just an orientation class, but I hope I have conveyed my complete message to you. What exactly you will be getting once you get enrolled yourself in FR with us. So definitely your journey is going to be excellent. You will enjoy this journey with us. WhatsApp number of ASA admin, if you are outside Pakistan, 0092 328 284 6117. If you are within Pakistan, 0328 284 6117. Again, students outside the Pakistan, 0092 333 366 within Pakistan, 0333 366 214. And let me tell you one thing, students. Normally, when you join ACCA online classes, I would say there is only one hurdle, which is when you ask the question, if teacher does not reply, that is the thing where you should start getting worried. But when it comes to Abib School of Accountancy, we are replying your queries within just 3 to 5 minutes. So just imagine that your teacher replies you just, number one, teacher assistant is not going to reply you. Your teacher is going to reply you. And you are getting your queries resolved just within 3 to 5 minutes. Plus the weekly live revision classes, they are giving you the opportunity to have the interaction with the tutor. So just imagine, students, if you have, plus the day you are going to join us, I did not mention it, let me tell you, the day you are going to join us, you will get the study planner. And the study planner will be a customized study planner, and it will start from the day you are going to join us. One more thing, due to any reason, if you are unable to attend the live revision class, no problem at all. On the same day, live revision class will be uploaded on the portal. So the recording will be available to all the students. Either you have attended the class or you have not attended the class, you will get the recording of course, live revision classes. But if you ask me, the recommendable approach is try to take out time for the live revision classes. So that you can get the benefit from that chance which ASA gives you, that you can have the weekly interaction with the tutor. And one more thing, students, I think I mentioned earlier also, we always teach from zero. I always assume students, they don't carry any previous knowledge. So don't worry at all. So if there is any question, any queries, you can ask before we end today's orientation. So we are having a really good number of students right now in the orientation. That's very good. Despite the fact that the orientation I'm right now conducting, it's very early. And of course, lots and lots of students, they are going to join us, inshallah. So if you have any queries, any one of you can ask before we end today's class. Elu is also here. Elu, if you have any question, you can also ask. Yeah, Elu, please.
Yes, sir. Are you getting me, sir?
All okay, Elio?
Okay. For us that have already taken the exams once, what's
Elio,
is
can
the
you type for me?
extra
Is it possible? Well, right now you're not so
for me
audible.
to
Can you write in the chat box your
okay,
query? That would be fine.
okay, okay, no
Yeah,
problem.
please. I'm waiting. Any other students, if you have any queries, you can ask. Let's see what is the question of Elio. Student, let me just I've already mentioned, if you just follow our study planner, that is more than enough. No need to do anything additional. Once you have seen all the 94 lectures, you have seen the crash course, you have taken weekly lab revision classes. The way I'm going to explain how to get the benefit from the pre-scene mock, you do that. Attempt ASM mock, that is more than enough to pass. No need to do anything additional. Here comes the question. Okay, Sylvia is saying I'm enrolled in tax from you for September session. Can I attempt FR? It is, yes, it is doable. It is doable. What is the actual? There is Medicarbo. What is the actual daily time for the live class? I will be mentioning this in the WhatsApp group. Don't worry at all. Adding that you're not a full-time student, still, let me tell you, we'll make a customized study planner for you, because the best part is our lectures are not very long. In the market, normally what happens, one lecture goes for 2 hours, even more than that. And that is my personal experience. When students, they see a lecture of 2 hours, even 1.5 hours, they they don't concentrate that much. So don't worry at all. With this, I would say job, you can do 2 papers, but you have to follow our study planner, and it is doable. Okay, any other question? Okay, Aliu is here. I think majority is going for, obviously, majority is going for the September. But in today's class, of course, there are enrolled students, there are students, they are just here for the orientation, but I strongly believe after orientation, they are going to join us. Thank you. Donald is here. Thank you. Yes. So I would say thank you very much that you people have taken out time for today's orientation. Again, even though it was a bit earlier, but I hope to see you and also others in my, uh, I would say, regular classes. Sir is saying, yes, sir, I just contacted on the mentioned number for enrollment. Thank you very much. So thank you very much, students. Hope to see you and others in my classes. Just a minute. Okay. Thank you. Just a minute. Okay, students. Thank you very much.